Hey guys, we're gonna be making wax seals and envelopes with what you already have. By the way, no tools required, and I'm gonna be giving you plenty of ideas and inspirations. You can use different substitutes that I'm gonna be giving you on the way, and trust me, you're gonna be loving it and learning a lot. So stay tuned. So the part 1 is all about envelopes, and here are the things that you can use to make envelopes. Some store-bought paper, any kind of bags that you have, or just handmade paper that we're gonna be making now. For this you'll need some coffee and some H2O. So first of all, put some coffee depending on how dark or light you want, and add water and mix well. So yeah, now I'm gonna take my paper and dip it well, and yeah, it's just perfect. Guys, make sure you dip it all the sides of the paper and just let it dry. Guys, by the way, you're gonna be seeing that my paper is really soft in this video. That's because I didn't let it take its time to dry because I was in a hurry to film this video. Yeah, by the way, be careful because the paper is really soft while it's wet, and because you don't want your paper to tear. Guys, if you don't want to dip the paper, just use a brush and paint both the sides. So guys, now we are making envelopes. This you'll need a square of any paper that you'll be using. So guys, now what you'll need to do is just fold the paper into half, then another half. And now what I'm doing is taking the bottom part of the envelope and folding it above the center point, then fold the other two sides till the center of the paper. Guys, just look at the video and you'll understand what I'm saying. And now for the top part, just take an extra inch and fold it. And now what we are doing is we are sticking the bottom part of the paper to the side parts of the paper, right? Yeah, so just take the excess glue out and stick it. You can either stick this part which is poking out or leave it as it is, but I stuck it. It's totally up to you how you want your envelope to be. Yeah. Guys, here are some different envelopes of some different textures of paper. And here's the paper that we just made and the store-bought paper. You can see the comparison. So now here's the part 2 in which we're gonna be making wax seals. So let's just start with the basic wax seal. Yeah. First of all, you'll need some candle or some kind of wax and make some shavings using a cutter from the candle or anything so that it can easily be melted. Now we are going to be using a wax crayon. Guys, make sure it's not plastic crayon or oil pastels, make sure it's wax crayon. And now we are gonna make some pieces out of it so that we can color the wax. You even need a candle and some Vaseline or your lip gloss and a spoon and some coins. You can use them from your coin collection, some different designs. So now first of all, we'll start with putting some Vaseline on the paper that we are working on. I'm using this paper, this transparent sheet. You can use parchment paper, wax paper, whatever you want. Just light the candle and of course even put some Vaseline on the coin. Now take your spoon and the wax shavings and some coloring. Now you'll even need a U-pin so that you can make it a tool that you're gonna be mixing with. I am actually making a orange color. So guys, make sure that you stir your wax till it's a bit thicker so that when you pour the liquid on the paper, it doesn't spread very much because you don't want that to happen. By the way guys, you can put some extra the extra wax on the side because you can test later how is it correct to remove it. Guys, be patient because making wax seals require a lot of patience and some practice because you need to have the sense of the right time that you have to place the coin in and put the wax. So yeah, that was how we make a basic wax seal, and you can remove the coin. Now we are going to be making wax seals using glue sticks and crayons. So first of all, make some cut some slices of the glue stick so that you can melt it, and take some crayon, and now guys apply some Vaseline on your coin. And now you're gonna be melting your glue stick and crayon. Guys, by the way guys, it's gonna be pretty sticky now because it's glue gun sticks. And yeah, by the way, you really need to work really fast now because this time the glue stick is gonna be drying really fast. So as soon as you put the glue stick on the paper, you need to put the coin in, because as you can see, it immediately dries up. This time we are directly going to be making the wax seal on the envelope, so make sure that you have your note or whatever, invitation or whatever you are giving in the paper, and just put it in. And now you have to melt your wax and crayon, and then let it cool down. After the wax melts as well as it's cooling, cooling down, now you have to pour the wax on the envelope, but be careful and place the coin in. Just don't apply a lot of pressure and remove the coin. Now this time we are going to be making wax seals on the envelope, but it's not really going to be sealed. So the thing that we have to do is put the sheet under the top part of the envelope and put some Vaseline on it, and do the same thing again. We have to melt the wax, put Vaseline on the coin, and do the exact same thing that we have done in making basic wax seals or just sealing an envelope. Yeah. And carefully remove the coin using any sharp thing or just your hand. Make sure that it doesn't break. So now up next, I'm going to be showing you how you can repair your wax seal which is having some issue. So in my wax seal, the currently which I'm using, I pushed the coin really harder, so the center part was easily got removed. So now what we can do is we can either use the outside part or the inside part to stick, or we can put a coin in it, or just put some more wax just like that, or add some glitter, or just let it be a different color one. And yeah, that's the amazing thing about making wax seal, that you can be totally creative with it. You can experiment with it. Never think about perfection, because guys, in art there's no perfection. It's just unique, creative and different. No mistakes, no perfection. It's just unique and different and just awesome. You can use anything to decorate it, but in this one I'm tying jute twine around the envelope and putting the wax and pressing the coin hard so that it evenly distributes. Guys, it is not really complete because it's abstract and I love it. If you don't have a wax around you, you can use glue gun to make your wax seals. And yeah, as I said, different substitutes, right? You can use your glue gun and coin or anything to decorate. You can put a dry flower in it, or just some beads that I'm doing, and just press a coin in it. But in this one, the design won't show up really well, but it's gonna take its shape. And now in this one, I'm just adding some glitter instead of that beads, and it's really beautiful. You are giving a coin, or you can give it this way. Yeah. And yeah, this is how the envelope turns out. So guys, here are some different wax seals that I made that can give you inspirations or ideas to make your wax seal. I made some emojis, and abstract, pigmented, then colorful, various stuff. Guys, what you can use this with is like you can make certificates and just put a red stamp that will look pretty cool. Then you can make a Hogwarts invitation card, or like birthday invitation cards, or just wax seals, seal an envelope that you want to give. And yeah, these are some individual wax seals on envelopes, how they look. Guys, comment down below how you made your wax seals different and unique, and how you decorated your envelope, and did you like it? And just comment down below some ideas and how you can use the wax seal. I would love to see them. Comment down below some video ideas that you would love to see me do. And yeah. So guys, here are all the things that we made in this video. I am so happy. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And for now guys, goodbye.